Jenny from Refresh Living, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make wood frames for a piece of canvas.
Yep, so today we're going to be making some easy picture frames for just canvas. So basically all you need is 1 by 2 inch board. That's my favorite size to use. I have a miter saw. If you don't have one, this is like my favorite tool, so I would suggest it. But if you don't, there's something called a miter box. So this is just used with a regular handsaw, and it lets you still make those 45 angle cuts, and it also helps you have a guide to make the straight cuts. So this is also an option as well. So basically all we're going to do is measure the length of the frame. So this one's 12 inches, and that's going to be how we cut our wood down. So we have our pieces for our frame cut. So the last step is to just, because canvas frames have a piece of wood here, we're just going to nail the pieces here into the wood. We're going to use an air nailer, but you could easily just use finished nails and a hammer as well. And then we put a little bit of wood glue, or regular glue in this case, here in between the mitered corners, just to kind of hold it together.
This type of frame can really be used on any piece of canvas. You could use a variety of different types of wood, and it really gives just a finished look to a cheap piece of canvas. So I have another video on how I used a piece of canvas and some old drywall mud to make this kind of modern type art for virtually no money, and then you can see I made the same frame around it. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel or check out my blog refreshliving.net for a ton of other DIY, building, decorating your home without spending a lot of money.